Hi, my name is Jim. I'm part of the Blindster.com team with almost 20 years experience working with window blinds. In this video, I'd like to show you our premium roller shades collection featuring both light filtering and blackout options. Let's get started. First of all, there are two opacity options to choose from depending on how much light you want to let into the room. Our light filtering shades feature a semi-opaque fabric that provides complete privacy while still letting some light pass through the shade. This means you can block the view into your home while still enjoying soft daytime light inside the room. Our Blackout premium roller shades are made with a completely opaque fabric that blocks all light from passing through the shade. You can use blackout shades in bedrooms, nurseries, media and TV rooms, really anywhere you want to dramatically dim the room from outside light. Note that with blackout shades, some light will still be visible around the edges of the shade, but the room will still be significantly darkened. You have several choices for how to operate our premium roller shades. The first is the cordless lift option. With no dangling cords, it's safe for kids, easy to operate, and gives you a clear, uncluttered look in the window. To raise the shade, just pull down slightly on the handle to release the tension, and then give it a tug to lock it in place. To lower, just pull down again, and give it another tug, and the tension will re-engage and the shade will stay. Our cordless premium roller shades also have a dial on the right side of the roller tube to adjust the tension to make the shade raise faster or slower as needed. A dial on the left side of the shade can adjust the height of the shade for a perfect fit in the window. The beaded chain option uses a looped cord to raise and lower the shade, which is a good option for tall shades where a cordless option may not be practical. The beaded chain has a tensioner at the bottom of the shade to hold it in place and to help prevent it from becoming a hazard for kids or pets. Finally, you can choose the motorized lift option, which features a motor and a rechargeable battery inside the shade. The remote control operates the shade either up, down, or to a programmable favorite position. One additional option you can choose is the contoured valance. This provides a finishing touch to your shade and will hide the roller tube and mounting brackets. This is especially helpful for blackout shades. The blackout fabric has a white backing which will be visible on the roll. The contoured valance will cover the roll to provide a more uniform look. So those are the main features of our premium roller shades. I like these shades for their modern good looks, easy lift options, wide range of available sizes, and the optional contoured valance. If you have any questions or need help ordering, just reach out and one of our friendly experts will be happy to help.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.